Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete a Shopify store. Deleting a Shopify store is a permanent action that cannot be undone. So make sure you have considered all options before proceeding. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the admin dashboard. From the admin dashboard, click on Settings, which is located at the bottom of the left-hand menu. In the Settings section, click on Plan and Permissions. Then click on Account. Scroll down to the Store Status section, where you will find the option to pause or deactivate your store. To delete your store, click on Deactivate Store. Then select a reason for deactivating your store from the drop-down menu. You will then be asked to confirm that you want to deactivate your store. Check the box to confirm. Then click Deactivate Store. Your store will now be deactivated, but it will not be permanently deleted. To permanently delete your store, you will need to contact Shopify support. You can do this by clicking on the help icon in the top right corner of the admin dashboard. Then clicking on Contact Support. You will be given the option to email or call Shopify support. Explain to the support team that you want to permanently delete your store and they will guide you through the process. It is essential to note that deleting a Shopify store will result in the loss of all data, including products, customers, and orders. Make sure to back up any important data before deleting your store. In conclusion, deleting a Shopify store is a straightforward process, but it should not be taken lightly. Make sure you have considered all options and have backed up any important data before proceeding.